Welcome back to the KEMPIRE Daily YouTube channel. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on any of the uploads. First of all, I started opening this package and I said, wait a second, this should be an unboxing. Our type of unboxing. It's not going to be fancy. It's pretty much, it came in the mail and I'm now going to open it in front of you. First of all, if you don't know, I've already done a couple of unboxings in regards to Apple products, including the new phone, even got a new case for it. I actually really love this phone. I love the new technology, the MagSafe technology. I was surprisingly shocked at 5G through Verizon. I don't know about some of the other carriers. I've been using it places I never thought it would be available. They really have stuck to their word and have allegedly made it available. It says 5G. I believe it. I haven't really noticed a difference, to be honest with you. But I'm not uploading, downloading like that on my phone. And if I am, I'm usually on Wi-Fi. Go figure. But I really love the phone. You can tell the difference in the size of the screen. Even the shape is different. It's more boxy, like a throwback to the iPhone 4 and 5. I like it. And I like the big, this is the iPhone 12 Pro Max. And the camera looks amazing. Anyways, I did an unboxing of this. Check out the description. You can see that unboxing. And the comparison to my previous phone, the iPhone 11 Pro Max. And there is a difference. Do love the color of that. But because of the new MagSafe technology, Apple has come out with a lot of MagSafe accessories, including their sort of like a little wallet that you can snap on the back of it. The only issue that I found in regards to, and I'm giving you layman's, I'm giving you the average consumer type of review, is that I've noticed some heating issues with the iPhone 12 Pro Max. And I'm not sure if people have found it with the iPhone 12 or the iPhone 12 Pro, but I noticed that when I'm charging with the MagSafe, not even just charging with MagSafe, when I'm charging, period, I am noticing the phone is a little bit warmer than I am comfortable with. But anyways, there are a lot of MagSafe, really cool accessories that are coming out. And they talked about this particular MagSafe Duo charger. And I was excited about it because I travel a lot. When it's not a pandemic, I do travel a lot. And this to me was ideal because I was traveling a lot. I have an Apple Watch. I also have Apple products. And finding bringing all these different chargers, I was sort of like, oh, this looks like it would be cool. The price point, as always with Apple, wasn't ideal. It's $129 for the MagSafe Duo charger. And a Duo charger, you're able to charge your watch, you're able to charge your phone, including, even if it's not a MagSafe, you can wirelessly charge your phone on these products. But of course, with MagSafe, you get the little snap. It's definitely going to charge. And that was my big issue. That's why I kind of really wanted to get a MagSafe type of phone, just because I've noticed with the iPhone 11 Pro Max, trying to find, the right space on a wireless charger, sometimes it was a little bit more challenging and annoying. So anyways, I ended up getting this MagSafe Duo charger. As I said to you before, it's kind of expensive, it's $129, and you don't get the charging brick. I just found that out. I didn't even realize when I opened the box. You're like, charging brick can't fit in that. Come on, Apple. You could, at the very least, for this this MagSafe Duo charger, you could have given people the charging brick. But they know people like myself are still going to buy it. We need to stop being so addicted to these damn people. Voila. Let's see if I can, yep, perfect. So this is the MagSafe Duo charger where you're able to charge your phone and charge your watch. I'm going to open it in front of you, and wow, I'm about to say, this is what I love about Apple though. I know it's the little things, is the, just so satisfying, but also easy. And I thought I was going to have to stop this video and go grab something to open it. But no, you can just open it like so. Voila. All right. Love this. Look how we're just going to let it, just going to let it slide out. Come on, Apple. Okay, it's smaller than I thought. You know, based on the pictures, you just never know. It's smaller than I thought, which is a good thing because especially if you're getting this for travel, this is actually really cool. Okay, so of course this. Okay, we'll hold off on this. Everything that comes in the box. Let's see, I'm sure some stickers are in here, maybe some instructions. Huh, no stickers. I don't know why they even put stickers in this thing. You talk about saving the planet. We could save something by not including the stickers. Okay, so this is, of course, Lightning to USB-C cable. Now I have a lot of these. You know, back in the day when you had all the other wires and you had so many that you're like, oh my God. Now I have a lot of these Lightning to USB. And I think they're going to the realm of more wireless charging. And the rumor is that the AirPower that they introduced a couple of years ago is actually the birth child of this. And something went wrong with AirPower and we never saw it. It's a little heavy. It's a little heavy. But it's very small. And look at that, the little snap. But before we get into the little snap, of course, this area is for the MagSafe charging for your phone. And then here is for your watch. And the cool thing about the watch, you can put it on up or you can charge it down depending on your preference. And the cool thing, as I said, travel, and you can just keep it going. Look, this is how small it is, y'all. It fits in this pocket. Crazy. First of all, the quality is really amazing. That's one thing I'll give them. The quality is not like they were cheap about it, but still for this size, look, I have a big hand, but damn. For $129 and no brick in the case, not sure about that. You know, in other ways, Apple does really give you good pricing, especially when it comes to their phones. They have a lot of really great options for inexpensive, a little bit inexpensive phones for great quality, especially with the iPhone 12. And, you know, at the iPhone mini and the iPhone 12 itself, you're getting a lot of the amazing specs that you would expect maybe in a pro model version in this iPhone 12, you know, lineup. It's actually very rare, and I was surprised that they did that, but maybe they were thinking, you know, pandemic. But anyways, but they weren't thinking about that when it came to everything else and these accessories and whatnot. But as I said to you before, this is just a quick little unboxing of the MagSafe Duo charger. The quality feels great. Little Apple on the front. I'll bring it a little closer, or maybe further back. I don't know if you can see the Apple. As I said to you before, this is one of the very few unboxings that I've done. Let me know your thoughts. Have you gotten the MagSafe Duo charger? Do you think it's worth the money? What are your thoughts? Let's talk about it in the comments, and we can rip Apple a new one in the comments. Again, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on any of the uploads. I'll see you tomorrow.